Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make Rava Idli. Come, let's go into the video and see how to make Rava Idli in a very softy way. One day if you have a lot of curd in your house or if you don't have batter, you can try this Rava Idli. Just you need only three things to make Rava Idli. Rava, curd and baking soda. Without baking soda also you can make Rava Idli, but idli won't come soft. So just 1 tablespoon of baking soda you can add to make idli soft. Adding carrot, cashew, coriander leaves, chana dhal, then other things for seasoning and all, it is your wish. Now I have taken 1 bowl of Rava. This is a roasted Rava. If you don't have roasted Rava, just dry roast in your house. In the same bowl, take 1.5 to 2 cups of thick curd. Thick curd is very much important. If you don't have thick curd in your house, you can go to shop, get bucket curd. This is a homemade curd, mine is thick, so I am using it. So for 1 cup of roasted Rava, ensure you are adding 1.5 to 2 cup of curd. Mix it well nicely. A thick form of consistency comes. So now add required amount of salt. Mix that also well. So in 50 ml of curd, I am adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I am mixing it nicely. Ensure there is no lumps. Just continuously mix it for 2 to 3 minutes so that the baking soda dissolves in curd, and when you add this to Rava, it mixes well. Then I am adding 50 ml of water. Mix this also well. Add this baking soda, buttermilk, water to this Rava. Mix this well now. Ensure there is no lumps. Just mix it for 2 to 3 minutes and close it and keep it for minimum 30 minutes to 45 minutes. If you want, you can add pepper, ginger and other vegetables also, but I don't use much ingredients. Then only we will get the essence of Rava. So now after 45 minutes, I am just mixing and seeing it is little thick. So I am adding 100 ml of water, mixing it well. See the consistency, it should be like this. This is the right consistency. So now come, let's steam the idli. On each mold, just place 2 to fried cashew nuts. I am using cloth if your idli vessel doesn't have cloth pattern, you can just grease it with oil and then place cashews. Then just keep little coriander leaves on each molds. And then keep little grated carrots. This is one way of making. You can even mix it with rava batter also, all this carrot, coriander and cashews. That way also you can steam idlis. So now take a ladle full of rava batter and fill the molds. So now close it with idli lid and steam it for 10 minutes. Now with the left out rava batter, I am adding coriander leaves, cashews and grated carrot. Mix everything nicely. In this way also you can make. Instead of placing on idli molds, in this way also you can make. So now 10 minutes is over. Nicely idli has steamed. I am taking out the idli plate from the idli pan. Now just wait and see how softy, spongy rava idlis are going to come. Likewise, make rava idli with all left out batters according to your needs. So this is the second set I am making rava idli. Likewise, you also try rava idli, subscribe, like and comment the video. So with this measurement I have taken, I was able to make 14 idlis. So according to your need you can take and make rava idli. Rava, curd and baking soda are the three important ingredients to make rava idli. Other things are optional only.